Okay, I will now go through a first officer's acceptance flow. The aircraft is already powered up, the external power is on. So the first officer gets in, adjusts the seat and rudder pedals. That's the first item, getting situated in the seat. Next item is the glare panel. We've got a master warning switch here, a roll select, and several other switches here. So I start with the roll select, make sure that light is out. Master warning, light is out or goes out when selected. Master caution, out or goes out when selected. Stall warning is guarded. The ground proximity warning switch is out or goes out when selected. The engine fire bottle is out and guarded. The fire bottle discharge light is out. APU fire push switch light is out and guarded, and the APU fire bottle light is out. And down here to the side panel, we've got 4 sub-panels. First of all, the lighting panel. Make sure the displays are set as required. Brightness is good. Some integral lighting, some flood lighting, some floor lighting. Wipers are parked. Stall push or disconnect is on. The display control panel, I want to make sure the FMS is in FMS map mode, as it is right there, FMS map. The TCAS button, which is this one right here, is selected. TCAS overlay, you can see the tick marks as I press that button. Nav sources as desired. There are several selections we can make on there. But in my case, I want to have localizer number 2 selected on my side. And there it is. It's the master caution. Goes out when pushed. Range selector on the FMS. We want to be able to see at least the first fix when we put our flight plan in. In this case, the first fix doesn't show up yet because we haven't put the flight plan in. We would have the range as desired. Radar and terrain as desired. Display control panel. Decision height and MDA both removed from the PFD. Altimeter set. In this case it's 290.9 or 2 inches of mercury. The display reversionary panel in normal. V-speeds we'll come back to. Over here to the EFIS, making sure there are no flags and that it matches the captain's side primary flight display. The multifunction display, looking for any flags. Over here checking the oxygen quantity, the fuel. Total fuel on board is 9,810 pounds. Down here we would go through and set up the FMS with the J pattern, flight plan, legs, performance, multifunction display menu, radio data, index, which has GPS control, FMS control, etc. That's set. Down here to the center pedestal, and we would put in our navigation frequencies and air traffic control frequencies and set the audio control panel as desired. And once again over to the side panel, we finish up with the audio warning panel, which is down here. Basically what those do, they cancel any audio warning malfunctions that we might have. Last but certainly not least, the oxygen mask, which there's a lot to do with that, but I'm not going to take it out. I'll wait till I actually receive some instruction on what to do with that, but basically we want to test the oxygen mask, so that stays put for now. And that's the first officer's acceptance flow.